So my kids are really into dinosaurs. They're like 12 and 9, so they're kind of past the age when most kids are into dinosaurs, but my kids are still into dinosaurs, which I absolutely adore. So we're currently reading Jurassic Park. They've seen all the movies, they love the movies, but reading the books is a whole nother thing because it goes into so much more detail and the characters are so much more layered. So we're really enjoying it. And we were reading in the book about how T-Rex existed for 15 million years and has been extinct for 65 million years. Humans, on the other hand, have only existed for 300,000 years. That's it, 300,000 years. T-Rex existed for 15 million years, and humans have only been here for 300,000 years. We are like a sneeze in the face of history. And it just made me think about how we think we're so smart and we think we're so invincible and we think we're so permanent. It's so naive. We're just so naive. we're not we're not that special. We're a flash in the pan. And the world will keep on spinning long after we're gone. But our sense of self-importance is really quite something. I don't think T-Rex had such a sense of self-importance, and they existed for 15 million years. Anyway, just thinking out loud. Follow me if you ever want to see me again.